Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about date pickers in Android Studio. A date picker is a view that allows users to select a specific date from a calendar-like interface. It's commonly used in applications that require users to input or select dates, such as booking applications, task management applications, or event scheduling applications. Let's take a step-by-step explanation and example in this video. We'll start with the date picker. Wrap content, and the ID would be date picker. Click on it, infer constraints, and here we go. Now let's move to the main activity.java file, date picker, and date picker. If you have any unexplained errors, just go to run or build, clean project, and rebuild project. I need to add a button here that allows us to test this date picker. And I'll drag it and drop it here. The text would be, move it to here and infer constraints. Now, I'll perform a click event on submit button. And this button, so button.set on click listener, new view on click listener, and the on click, I'll go and gather the information from the date picker. I'll start getting the values for day of month, month of the year from the date picker. For that, I'll use string variable called day equal to, I'll use string concatenation day. Here I'll use date picker instance dot get day of month method. In order to get the month, I'll use the same date picker but different method, date picker dot get month, and it's similar to the year. I'll use year date picker dot get year. I'll display them into a toast message. And I'll display these three strings, day, between, and new lines between them. Let's run our application. Display selected date, day 9, and you can see it's not fitting all the toast. I'll remove this or replace it by space. Okay, empty space, and empty space here, run it again. Display selected day 9, month 7, and year 2023. And you can see there is an error in month. So what I'll do, I'll add +1 to this month. Run again. And here we go. Because January is started as 0 in date pickers. And this problem is being solved by adding +1 here.